Molten cake is a famous French dessert consisting of a soft, runny chocolate cake in the middle. It can be easily prepared at home in just 15 minutes. Ingredients: 100 grams of butter, 100 grams dark chocolate, 3 eggs, 3 egg yolks, half a cup sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla, a quarter cup flour. Method: preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. In a small saucepan, melt the butter with the chocolate over a water bath. In a large bowl, beat eggs, sugar and vanilla until light and creamy. Add the chocolate mixture to the egg mixture and stir until well combined. Add the flour and stir until the cake dough is formed. Pour the mixture into small molds or into a large cake pan. Bake for just 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are set and the middle is still soft. Serve hot with ice cream or whipped cream. Advice: for best results, use high-quality dark chocolate. Do not overbake the molten cake so that the outer layer does not dry out. Serve hot so you can enjoy the liquid chocolate in the middle.